How to deactivate Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can deactivate Instagram. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First, open up your Insta. After you do that, you can head over to your profile on the bottom right. Now tap on the three lines on the top right. After you do that, on the top you'll find Account Center. Tap on that. Now, after you're there, under account settings, if you scroll down, you'll find account settings. There you'll find personal details. Inside there, you'll find account ownership and control. Tap on that. Now there you'll see two options. One is memorialization, the other is deactivation or deletion. Tap on the second one and now choose your Instagram's profile. After you do that, there you'll find two options again. One is to deactivate your account, which is temporary, and another is delete, which is permanent. In this video, we're talking about deactivating it, so simply select the deactivate option and then tap on continue. Then tap on continue again, and now you will need to type in the password for your account. After you type that in, your account will get deactivated, and that's basically it. If you want to reactivate it, all you have to do is simply log in into your account and your account will automatically be activated. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.